Since the invention of steam engine, chemicals were the heroes in both the industrial and agricultural sectors. Many technological advances relied on chemical properties of processes to grow more, produce faster, build stronger, and last longer. But the heroes become the villains. Despite the staggering benefits, there was increasing evidence that certain chemicals had adverse effects on humans and the environment. The UN Task Force went on to analyze the most suspect industrial chemicals, also known as the Dirty Dozen. Their findings were the basis for the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, or POPs, adopted in May 2001 and went into force in May 2004. Signatory countries pledged to reduce and eliminate the production, use, and unintentional release of POPs in waste streams and emissions. The convention, in turn, offers financial and technical resources to support that transition. The convention includes standard practices to replace or reduce POPs. These are collected into 2 publications: Best Available Techniques and Best Environmental Practices. Signatories of the Stockholm Convention agreed to promote the adoption of these practices and standards across the industrial sector. Initially, the convention focused on 12 pesticides or industrial chemicals known as the Dirty Dozen. 11 more were added in 2010 and 2013. The Stockholm Convention categorized these 23 chemicals into 3 groups: banned chemicals with elimination targets, restricted use chemicals, and unintentionally released chemicals. Control of the first 2 groups has largely been achieved over the last decade. Unintentional POPs requires action on a much larger scale. Poorly maintained industrial boilers are identified as one of the largest emitters of dioxins and furans. The BAT-BEP guidelines specify the conditions required for the complete combustion of various fuel types. Efficient boilers will not only prevent furans from forming, they also produce more heat energy, which saves fuel, produce more steam, and generates more power. Since POPs are largely caused by industrial processes, UNIDO is particularly well positioned to manage national implementation plans on the ground. UNIDO's role includes monitoring local projects and aggregating regional data, providing local plants with guidance for site assessment and technology selection, developing a cost-effective action plan and minimize their POP emissions. POPs can be resolved without slowing down economic growth. Through UNIDO's continued efforts, our industries have the tool they needed to stop POPs and ensure a cleaner and safer environment for the next generation to inherit.